Assalamu alaikum. Illustrator, very important tools. Assalamu alaikum. Illustrator, very important tools like appearance from window. You can see appearance, shift F6. I am doing this effect with editable. You can make this shadow 3D kind of shadow and this wavy zigzag effect on any object or any font or on any element. So this much I had done. I'm selecting this circle, stylize, drop shadow. You can see the color I had already given and the offset x-axis and y-axis already set with normal mode. Opacity is full. Okay, now click on this and click plus 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 plus. You can see here the shadow effect is coming. Okay, so same click on this drop shadow. Okay, now we'll copy this one and paste here. So how I had done this text effect, select text, increase font size, increase font size and change color to white. Same way, now select appearance and here appearance icon you can see. So go in, add new effect and give stylize drop shadow. You can see this property. You can change color from here and you can set the position from x-axis y-axis with opacity, and you can change the mode also as per need, but I put right now normal and then OK with, then select this drop shadow. You can duplicate this effect, duplicate selected item, and you can see, but you can see the effect is not proper. So we can do Ctrl Z and change some property. Okay, and how I had done this okay, and again go in effect and do zigzag in distort and transform. Click there and you can decrease the size, what size you want, make it smooth, rigidness. Okay, this way the zigzag effect with smooth will come. Okay, so you can see. So our uh, editable text effect is ready. This is very powerful. Uh, our This is our very powerful, we can say, plugin or appearance. So you can use in your design work. Appearance is like you can give add new stroke here, fill color here, and any effect from this effect panel. This whole effect panel will come in this new effect, and every uh, new effect style like this here, new effect. Okay, so if you want to clear effect, you can select here and clear effect, so everything will be clear and it will be reset as per it was looking like from in starting. So this and mm, okay, so it will be totally editable. And one another uh, tool I want to show you, it is also very good. Like this, you can see here this polygon, and make it white from line, only stroke, no fill color, just to show you proper what is going on. When you create this polygon, uh, there is one tool, free form tool. You click on that, one box will come, this one, and it is easy perspective distort, and another is free distort. You can do free distort work from here, and perspective distort, so it will go in perspective like this. And free distort, it will be managed by yourself, how much distortion you want from the point you had selected, like this. So this is also very good and important, because I had searched many times for this perspective tool, uh, and it takes me time, and I had researched many things. There is a complete perspective tool, is perspective grid tool here in below, shift P, but this one is free perspective, free distort. So this is very good, you can use whenever it needed in your object. So if you have any question, you can ask me. My another video will be in Hindi, so if any mistake in this video, you can ask me. Okay, thank you, bye.